NOFA friends, it's Missy from Drift Farmstead. I have been spending some time outside watching the robins come out to play and dig for their worms. I've been listening to the coo of the mourning dove and knowing that spring is soon around the corner. Here at our farm, we are still covered in snow, waiting for it to melt so that we can begin our seeding season. But we are busy starting all of our seeds, tilling up the high tunnel so that we can get ready for our summer crops to go in there, and thinking about the importance that birds play day to day in the farming that we do here at the farm. As spring becomes warmer and warmer and we start to get ready for planting outside, and I stand in the fields and I hear the coo of the mourning dove and the hopping around of the red-breasted robin, I can't help but think about the important roles that birds play in our everyday food that we eat. Without them, where would we be? If we didn't have shrubs and native plants for birds to eat from and the tops of the trees for birds to land on, what would their habitats look like? Where would the birds go? What would the insect population look like around our farms?